We're not going to look at a specific problem here, and that is we're going to try to find the difference from the mean for each employee's salary. So, for instance, this employee right here has a salary of $87,500. We want to see how different is it than other police department employees. So we're going to group by department. We're going to find the mean of that department, and then we're going to see how that mean differs from the employee's salary. All right, so this is a good use case for transform. So we'll just call it diff sal mean, and it's going to implicitly be passed a series. So we're going to take the salary and we're going to subtract it from the mean. So pretty simple. That's all we're going to do is how different is it than the mean? If it's a positive number, it means that person's salary is greater than the mean salary for that department. If it's negative, that means the mean is greater. All right, and then all we're going to do is, so we're going to group by department. We are going to apply this to salary. So the syntax is what column are you going to apply this to? And then we're going to call transform and then pass in our custom function. And then we can append this, and we'll just append it directly to our series or our data frame. We'll call it sal diff over here. And now we can look at the head over here. So this employee is making almost $21,000 more than the mean salary. This employee over here is making $2,000 less than the mean salary. Okay, so that's just for that department, right? So it's all relative to that particular department's salary. All right, so that is one little use case for the transform method.